Welcome. In front of me I have Insta360 One Air Twin Edition camera, and I'm going to show you how you can change language in this device. So at first we have to open the screen, so tap here, scroll down to open notification bar, go on the right side, enter the settings, tap on the general, and here we have to go for the language. And as you can see here, we got a few Asians language and also the English, so you have to pick up your best language and then just go back. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.